everybody, welcome back to another video. And today here I have the Animal Gym Wild Summer Box, I think it's called that. So we're going to go on ahead and see what's inside this. I don't actually know what the code will give me, nor do I know all the things that are in here. But let's start. So we've got our little card here, and this will tell us everything we have, but I'm not going to read it because I don't want to spoil the things until I look at them. So, a board game set. Let's open this up. 2 exciting dice games. So we've got the board here. And then over here we've got all the dice. Some of them have paws, some of them say AJ, some of them have trees, I think. Yeah. That's cool. Now, what are these? There's a pen set here. Some pretty cool pens. Now what's this? Oh, it's a cup. Let's go ahead and take the cup out of its package. Here we go, the cup. There's this cup. I don't know if you can see it, but there's this box with little arrows going through it. Let's see. This is the bandana, and it says AJ on it. Let's just open this up once I find the opening to it. Okay, here we go. Interesting, very interesting. So then we have the shirt. Same design as the bandana. Then lastly we have the charm. Little charm right here. And the code. So on this thing that tells you everything that's in the box. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. So there's the board game set, the carabiner cup, I think that's how you pronounce it, the fox and feather charm, the pen set, the boho skull tee, the boho bandana, and the code. So this is really nice. This is a nice box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.